The factory is really amazing.
Very clean, very huge factory, very high standards.
Hello, I am Sigmantas Vagonis. We came from Lithuania. I'm the owner of the company and we are solar installers.
My name is Thomas. I'm the founder and owner of Solar Wales, and we are installer.
My name is Jānis. I am from Latvia. We are APC company and I am CEO of this company.
Our clients is willing to have the best product. Yeah, for example, the most efficient module, which can generate more electricity from the smaller amount of the installed capacity per module.
And I think AIKO is the perfect product for that. The optimization, shadow optimization and efficiency.
And lower degradation. Full black look, very good looking modules.
Customers want more.
Everybody is happy so far and enjoying.
It's just the start of the era, so I'm excited, looking forward to see what's coming. The future is bright.
The factory is really amazing. It's really big and it's really clean, and the attention to the details, how all product is produced, is really important for the AIKO company.
Very clean, very huge factory, very high standards and also very high quality of product.
I have no doubt that ABC technology will increase in the future.